Well, my dog found a way to sleep right by my feet. I kept on pushing his bed out of the way, and he pushed the bed so that it's right where I sit. So now he's laying in his bed, and unfortunately I got to put my feet in his bed now, and he's laying there. Right there, all nice and happy, because he's by my feet and he's still in his bed. So I don't know. You, you can't say that dogs are not smart. He's figured a way that he can be in his bed and be beside my feet. That's pretty comical, that is. Cheers.